Hello everyone, my name is Daksh and I am from the team 220 volts. Me and my friends Kanav and Yakshit have developed a software and hardware integrated project that we call CARS. CARS stands for Crash Assistance and Rescue System. What it basically does is that it is meant for the aid of the people who have just suffered a fatal crash and the airbags of those cars have been deployed. So the idea revolves around the concept that the Bluetooth module that we have constructed will be connected to the PCB of the ACM, which is the airbag control module. So every time the car suffers a fatal crash, the airbags are deployed. The Bluetooth module will send a certain characteristic. In this case, we have named it H. So the Bluetooth signal will send a H character, and that signal will be caught by a mobile. In this case, the H characteristic will trigger the Flutter app that we have made, and the Flutter app will automatically start sending the SOS messages to the pre-selected users using WhatsApp. So we basically turn on the app. Right now you can see that this is the home screen. We will go to fill details. In fill details you can see that I have already filled in my details. This is using shared preferences. We are not using Firebase to avoid any kind of basically any error or any sort of delays, since this is a really critical procedure. So I have used shared preferences so that the data is always available on the local storage, and I can edit it anytime. You can see that these are just text fields and I can name it anything. I will keep it to my true name right now, and here for the demo purposes I have restricted the app to only 3 contacts. Obviously in the proper version of the app you can use n number of contacts. So all these are of WhatsApp messages, WhatsApp numbers of my friends. So first I will save this data. So this is only for the first time user. Since I have already saved it before, I do not really need to save it again. This is just a demo, so I'm doing it again. But if I just go back and I remove the app, you can see that the app is restarting, and then going to fill details, you can see that the data is right here. So the data is never gone. So right now this demo button that you see is to simulate the H characteristic that the Bluetooth will scan. Right now we definitely cannot crash a car and my friend is actually living really far away, and due to COVID we are not able to connect, so I was not able to bring the hardware here. So this demo button is just to simulate what really happens when an H characteristic is scanned by the phone. So you can see that the app automatically starts sending the data on WhatsApp to all the numbers that have been pre-selected. So this is basically the functionality of it, and now you can see that I had the longitude and latitude. I copied it and I went to my maps, and this is the coordinates that we got from here. And if I click on directions, you can see that this red marker is where the app is sending the location, and this blue moving area is where it is like connecting the location right now. So you can see that it is extremely accurate. The motive behind this app is basically to ensure that the person life can be saved, as this data will be sent to the emergency services and to the close contacts. And in case of fatal crash, there is a very high chance that the person is unconscious or basically just too weak and unable to ask for help. So to assist the person in those cases, this app has been developed which will automatically do all those things. The person need not panic. And now I will show you the hardware of it.